Welcome back to V8 Vibes, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now because today we're taking you inside one of the most exciting next-generation campers on the market, the all-new Volkswagen California T7 2026. This isn't just a refresh, this is a complete evolution of the legendary California line, and trust me, if you love travel, comfort, and that perfect blend of luxury and adventure, you're going to watch this video till the very end. So buckle up as we explore the exterior, interior, performance and of course the price details of this stunning machine. The first thing you notice when the California T7 2026 rolls into view is how modern and refined the new design language has become. Volkswagen has given it a sleek, aerodynamic profile that makes the van look more premium than ever. The sharper LED headlights, the refreshed grille, and the clean bumper lines give it a futuristic appearance. At the side you can instantly see the upgraded proportions. The T7 platform allows more interior space without making the van look bulky. The two-tone paint options remain a trademark but look more elegant now, especially with the chrome accents around the windows. The California T7 also includes sliding doors on both sides, making access easier than before. At the rear, the LED tail lamps and the refreshed tailgate design complete the overall modern aesthetic. It still looks like a friendly road trip partner, but one that's been transformed with luxury, technology and confidence. When you step inside, the real magic begins. The interior of the Volkswagen California T7 2026 feels like a smart, compact luxury apartment on wheels. The new digital dashboard is brighter, sharper and more intuitive with Volkswagen's updated infotainment system offering smoother animations, improved connectivity and a simplified menu layout. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. The steering wheel has a more premium feel with physical buttons returning, something fans were desperate to get back. The cabin materials are upgraded with soft touch surfaces, stitched leather style panels and mood lighting that brings a calm, cozy vibe at night. One of the biggest changes is the improved seating flexibility. The seats are lighter, easier to fold and more adjustable, giving you multiple layout options. The rear seats slide further back to open up more cargo space or forward to provide better living room when camping. The signature pop-up roof now feels even more solid with better insulation and a bigger sleeping area. The mattress quality has improved, ventilation windows are larger, and the lighting up top is more functional. The kitchen unit has been re-engineered too. Volkswagen offers an improved compact kitchenette with a redesigned induction cooker, a deeper sink, a smarter fridge system and better storage compartments. Everything feels more ergonomic and more travel-friendly. The table setup is easier and faster to use, and there are extra USB-C ports everywhere, making it easy to charge all your devices on the go. The California T7 2026 takes comfort to another level with upgraded climate control, additional roof vents and improved thermal protection, making it suitable for both hot summers and cold mountain nights. Now let's talk about performance. The California T7 2026 benefits from Volkswagen's new MQB Evo platform which significantly improves driving dynamics. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating narrow mountain roads, the T7 feels lighter, more stable and smoother. Volkswagen offers multiple engine choices including efficient turbocharged petrol options, mild hybrid versions and even a plug-in hybrid variant for eco-friendly travelers. The hybrid combined output delivers a smooth and punchy ride while maximizing fuel economy. The steering is more precise, road noise is reduced and the suspension tuning is upgraded to deliver a comfortable yet controlled drive even when the van is fully loaded with camping gear. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, parking sensors and the updated 360-degree camera system which is extremely helpful for such a long vehicle. Driving the California T7 feels more like driving a premium SUV than a traditional camper van. The improved refinement, better visibility and advanced tech make long journeys more enjoyable and less tiring. It's definitely one of the most advanced and user-friendly campers on the market. Now comes the part everyone waits for, the price. Depending on the trim level and engine configuration, the 2026 Volkswagen California T7 is expected to start around the mid-range price segment for camper vans, likely beginning from $70,000 to $80,000 for the base model and going up to $100,000 or more for the fully loaded plug-in hybrid with all premium features. Considering the technology, interior upgrades, enhanced comfort and its reputation for durability, the California T7 remains a strong value for travelers who want a long-term investment and a vehicle they can rely on for both daily driving and unforgettable adventure trips. So that's the full detailed review of the all-new Volkswagen California T7 2026. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to V8 Vibes and turn on notifications so you never miss the next car review, concept reveal or futuristic vehicle walk around. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the California T7 on your next road trip? Thanks for watching V8 Vibes, and I'll see you in the next video.